This website is called Storyline Online, and it is a reading website. What it does is it takes actors or other celebrities and they read the book to children. Sometimes what I use it for is after we've listened to or watched a story being read, we'll do like a reading response paper where they either have to tell me the characters, the events, their favorite part, such and such. It just kind of works well with comprehension for my first graders. Now, what you kind of have to watch for is, since this does deal with celebrities, like A Bad Case of the Stripes is one of my favorite books. So it gives you an option of what you want to open it into. The celebrity seen here is Sean Astin. Now, some of my kiddos probably have no idea who that is. They're not old enough to have seen Rudy or The Lord of the Rings, and hopefully they're not watching Stranger Things. But it's a great book, and they can get to know them. You just have to click play. And just like any other YouTube video, it'll read it to you. If you go back, you can select books that are just been recently added. So clicking on one of these, you're probably going to find people you're more familiar with. It shows you. So look, there's Oprah. Click on there, and Oprah will read to us. It's just kind of fun because sometimes kids get tired of listening to me read to them all the time. They like to see someone else reading. And I also think it does a great thing of showing them that it's not just teachers or parents that want them to read. These people that they see on TV and magazines all the time, they're telling them how important reading is also. So I just really enjoyed this one.